CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.2. Summarize basic cable types and their connectors, features, and purposes. Hard drive cables. In this video segment, we will summarize basic hard drive cable types and their purposes. Under Exam Objective 3.2, the current version of the A plus Core 1 exam focuses specifically on SATA and eSATA. So let's break those down clearly and simply. Let's begin with Serial Advanced Technology Attachment, commonly pronounced SATA. Serial Advanced Technology Attachment, or SATA, is a storage interface used to connect internal storage devices, such as hard disk drives and solid-state drives, directly to the motherboard. It became the standard internal storage interface because it is faster and more efficient than the older parallel interfaces it replaced. SATA uses a 7-pin data cable that connects from the drive to a SATA port on the motherboard. SATA supports multiple speed revisions, but for the purposes of the A+ exam, the most important concept is that SATA is the standard interface for connecting internal storage devices inside a desktop or laptop system. Now, let's move outside the case. External Serial Advanced Technology Attachment, or eSATA, is an extension of the SATA interface designed specifically for external storage devices. While standard SATA is used inside the computer case, eSATA allows a similar high-speed connection for drives located outside the system. eSATA uses a different connector shape that is more durable and better suited for external connections. It was designed to provide performance similar to internal SATA connections, giving external drives direct access to the system's storage controller. Over time, however, USB became the more common external storage interface, which means eSATA is less frequently seen on modern consumer systems. For the exam, remember this simple distinction. SATA connects internal drives to the motherboard. eSATA connects external drives to the computer using a SATA-based interface. If you can clearly identify which one is internal and which one is external, you are exactly where you need to be for Exam Objective 3.2. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.